Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Alterverse airdrop. Now Alterverse is basically a gaming or a metaverse platform built on Unreal Engine 5 and it is backed by Binance Labs and Polygon Ventures. Now before we move on to Alterverse airdrop farming, I have a channel, YouTube channel which is in Hindi language for crypto airdrop. So if you want the crypto content in Hindi, you can go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So if you go to Alterverse website over here, as you can see, they are backed by altcoin Buzz, then there is Anchor, then there is Gate.io, Binance, Polygon Ventures, IOBC Capital, and Evo. Now they have managed to raise the overall funding of around $44 million plus, and this airdrop should be a decent airdrop. Now, in order to farm this airdrop, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you will need to go over here and links in the description. Those are my sign up referral link. It really supports my channel and it also helps you get some additional points for airdrop farming. Now what you can do is first, once you sign up over here on Alterverse, you can use your email address and your MetaMask wallet in order to sign up for Alterverse over here. Now the first thing that you can do is this thing is optional. If you want to go ahead and buy their node over here, you can go ahead and buy their Alterverse node. So this will cost you like around $1,000 for one node. And as you can see, they have mentioned that the unit price for each node will increase by $50 for every 500 nodes sold after 10,000. So the price will keep on increasing. Now if you are into node and if you want to go ahead and purchase it, you may go ahead and purchase it. Now after doing this, what you can do is basically you can click over here on airdrop over here and you will be redirected to this page over here. Now over here you will need to go ahead and complete all these basic tasks over here. So as an example, you can go to the Twitter and retweet one of the top tweet and then follow them on Twitter, then join the Discord, and basically you can go ahead and invite your friends over here, and then they have this daily check-in over here. And if you buy this node, you will be getting like around 1,000 points over here, which is weekly. Now some of the tasks are like single, so as you can see, this one is single and this is daily. Like you can go ahead and invite your friends daily, and also there is this daily check-in over here. Now this exchange button is not open as of yet, but in the future when there would be token generation event, I think just before that this exchange button would be over. So basically you can go ahead and exchange your points for maybe their Alterverse token over here. So basically this is all you can do currently in order to go ahead and farm the Alterverse airdrop. And this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.